In this short technique demonstration, I'm going to focus on how to use this 1-inch flat brush effectively and how to use it to lifting the colors. When you use the brush, especially when you're training the brush, you don't want to do it like this. Don't do it like that. That's what you get. And your brush just looks like my brush, isn't it? Huh? I'll say my brush just looks like your brush. You want to paint it is following the direction of the hair like this. Ready? Like this. And turn around like this. So over the time when you use it this way, and your hair would become more and more straight. And also because you paint it like this angle, and I'm gonna show it to you. The angle of my brush like this. See that? Right? So the brush here is very, very comfortable. Okay. Treat your brush like a princess. Okay, like this. Okay. If you're doing like this, that's not a proper way. So my brush is no different from yours. So just keep working on it. Like take the paint and following. Yeah, here you go. Following this.
Oh yeah, I meant to say that I did the first method, but I did better when I followed you doing the second method.
This paint is already on the paper like for probably for months. Okay, now I'm gonna show you. If you have persistent into the same area, now you can see you can remove the color. Very, very efficient and easy. Now I'm gonna start doing the lifting. So I'm gonna take a look over here. Take out some color over here. So don't worry if you leave out too much, that's okay. And you can come back to make up some colors next to it later. Now I'm gonna coming over here to take a look at there's a little shape over here coming over here too. That's good. And keep going. Lift up a little bit in the middle of the flower. Focusing on the large before small. But when you get to a little bit more and more to the end, you can also continue fine tune the small to make the painting look more finished.